How to fix Bumble Boost or coins not being recognized. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Bumble Boost or coins are not being recognized. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Bumble Boost or coins are not being recognized after purchase, the first step is to ensure the purchase is reflected in your account and to troubleshoot basic issues. So first of all, make sure you open the Bumble app and ensure that the subscription or whatever type of coins that you have purchased is showing within your account. If it is showing and if it's still not working, make sure that it is also showing. If it's an active subscription, you can find them using your Play Store if you're using Android by tapping the profile icon, going to payment and subscriptions, going to subscriptions and making sure the Bumble subscription is showing over here. That could also be the case. You also want to make sure to verify the payment and that you have been successfully charged within your payment method. If it's not working, try to log out of your account once and just try to re-log in again and see if that helps you. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the app, and if none of this help, the only thing we can do is to contact the support team. So you can tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen and you can go to contacts and FAQ, tap on chat with us and talk to a Bumble support team. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.